Nowadays, digital technologies have become a powerful tools for improving education in various ways. The use of certain technologies can motivate students and enhance the learning process. In this model, we want to present the main results of Work Package 3, Key Enabling Technologies Kit for training in the furniture and wood sector. It explores new forms of training using some key enabling technologies as educational tools. The goal was to investigate innovative teaching methods that utilize a project-based approach and leverage Industry 4.0 technologies to enhance student motivation and learning outcomes. By integrating technologies such as 3D printing, virtual reality, mixed reality, and 360 degrees videos, which blur the boundaries between the physical and digital worlds, we unlock immense potential in the fields of furniture design and wood manufacturing. The work package contents are divided into two groups. The first group focuses on 3D printing with the development of 14 exercises aimed at teaching the technology, strengthening knowledge, and fostering the creativity. In the field of education, the use of technologies such as 3D printing improves performance, the learning process, the development of skills, and fosters greater engagement of students and teachers with the subject matter. Additionally, 3D printing stimulates creativity and collaborative problem solving. Additive manufacturing processes allow for significant design freedom, customization, easier assembly, and low-volume production at low cost. These circumstances have a positive effect on furniture manufacturing. Two reports, namely, Definition of New Exercises Using 3D Printing and New Exercises Using 3D Printing including 3D Models, provide technical and educational definitions, methodology, benefits, and explanations of 3D printing functionality. Furthermore, descriptions and 3D models in STL format for the 14 exercises are included. The second group covers extended reality, introducing these technologies and their applications in education and the furniture sector. 10 exercises demonstrate the application of extended reality in the furniture and wood sector. These technologies will provide students and teachers with what is necessary to obtain the greatest benefit. In addition to understanding and learning to work with them, they will be able to develop new content, making their integration into the curriculum and teaching methodologies more harmonious and versatile. The use of immersive technologies can help develop technical, design, teamwork, problem solving, and innovation skills in a practical and engaging way. Furthermore, the integration of XR technologies can improve teaching efficiency and drive innovation in sustainable furniture design and competencies application in future works. The Allview exercises developed for this sector offer a range of opportunities for students to learn and acquire specific knowledge about furniture design and production while gaining familiarity with these technologies to prepare them for the future jobs. Detailed information on the selection of augmented reality, virtual reality, and mixed reality technologies is provided in Selection of Technologies related with AR, VR, and MR, with the integration of VR and MR as complementary tools in the curriculum explained in Integration of VR and MR as complementary tools in the curriculum. Furthermore, 4 environments containing 10 exercises are included. According to several research studies, students who have direct experiences with their learning process have more than a 90% probability of remembering what they are studying. Therefore, experiencing VR, AR, MR, and 3D printing will enhance students and also motivate them. Overall, the integration of extended reality technologies and additive manufacturing in vocational training for the furniture and wood sector represents a significant step forward in the digital transformation of education and promises to deliver new opportunities for both students and teachers while promoting the sustainability in the sector.